everyone, Melanie here. Welcome back to my channel. First off, let me say please excuse my crazy hair right now. It is my postpartum hair loss growing back, and it's really cute right now. So I don't have crazy bangs or anything. That's just what's going on right there. Anyways, I have a Spanx unboxing for you. It's actually kind of a sort of unboxing because I did just get this in the mail today, and I opened it, and right after I opened it, I thought, well, I have time to make a little video, so maybe I can do an unboxing for you. So I repackaged it all back up, and I'm going to show you how it comes in the mail and what they look like. So I have the new faux leather leopard Spanx to show you today and to review for you and to try on. So, okay, let's get started. Okay, getting started. I know it's backwards right now because of my phone and the way it's recording, but it comes packaged in a box with this Spanx tape all around it. See? Let's open it up. And when you open it, it says, let's see, the biggest risk in life is not risking. XO Sarah. So I guess that is the creator of Spanx. You have your receipt right here. And these Spanx are, they are normally, I believe, $98, but I got 20% off because they were running a holiday special. So I did get them on sale. It's awesome. And it comes packaged with this white tissue paper, and then it has this little kissy sticker on here. Little lips. It says Spanx. When you open it, it's wrapped in plastic. There you go, and they have them laid out completely straight like this. I got these in the size medium. I am between a size 6 and 8 right now, and the mediums fit me really well. I have them in 4 other colors as well, and they all fit about the same. So, okay, let me get these out of these packaging for you. Okay, so here they are out of the packaging, out of the plastic. It is the faux leather leopard, as I said, and it's got like a nice sheen to it. They're not as shiny as I thought they were going to be from the ads, and I actually like that better. They're a little more matte than I expected. But yeah, they look pretty tiny when you get them out, but that is what the compression is all about. They're small so they can compress you in and hold all that stuff in. But I'm going to get ready to try these on for you. Just a quick little review for you on Spanx leggings. I really love them. Like I said, I have a few pairs. I'm wearing the gray camo seamless ones here. And where did they go? I have the green camo ones. And I also have the faux leather moto leggings. And I have all of them in a size medium. And in a size medium, I have worn these ranging in sizes from a 4 to a 10. And when I say it, it's because I had 2 babies back to back, and they fit me pre-pregnancy, they fit me post-pregnancy when I was at my largest at around a 10, and now that I've lost some weight and I'm between a size 6 and 8, they fit me as well. I will say that when I'm on my larger size, that they do tend to roll down a little bit, and that's one of the biggest cons that people will tell you about Spanx leggings, is they do roll down. But honestly, it doesn't bother me a lot because almost any leggings I put on, if they're a little too small, then they're going to roll down. But I think it's worth it. I definitely think it's worth it. They make me feel confident, especially when I'm performing on stage. Nothing makes me feel more confident than when I'm wearing my Spanx. So there's that review. Okay, so I'm going to try these on for you. Here we go. Okay, so I have them on, and I have them on with a little oversized slouchy tee. They're really comfortable, and they fit as expected. They fit like all of my other Spanx. Spanx is very consistent in the sizing, I feel like, even all the different styles. These hold in my mommy baby pouch really nicely. My little one is my youngest baby is about to turn 1 next week, and really excited about that. So thanks for the mommy body, babies. But good thing about these is they have a flat front, the way the seam is, and they advertise that there's no camel toe. which I love about Spanx as well. No, camel toe. Nobody wants that. But yeah, I love them. They fit exactly how I wanted them to, and no mysteries there in them. There you go. Spanx Faux Leather Leopard. Okay, so I'm really excited about my new leather Spanx. I can't wait to wear them out. I'll probably wear them tomorrow night at my show. And one thing I do want to say, I think Spanx are great for anybody, for any size, whether you're a size, if you're plus size and larger, or if you're a size 0, because even skinny people need shaping sometimes, and anybody deserves to wear something that makes them feel confident. And I've seen a lot of reviews on social media of people body shaming, the models and stuff that they choose for their advertisements. But I said, anybody can have loose, shaky skin, and also Spanx is a brand, and they make cute clothes. So if you're skinny and you want to wear Spanx, wear them. If you're big and you want to wear Spanx, wear them. If there's nothing wrong with you at all and you just like the style, wear them, because they're a really nice pair of leggings, nice clothes, nice shapewear. So, that's what I have to say about that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, please feel free to click like and click subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I have a lot more things coming up, and I hope to see you next time.